Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time. It's time for the lightning round. What's up, Play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? For the lightning round. Let's start with Justine in Florida. Justine.
Hi, good evening, Cramer. How
Good
are
evening.
you? I wanted to ask you about Nextera Energy.
Oh, it's the fastest growing, best utility. If you want a growth utility, that's the one. If you want a little more safety, you do kind of edit. If you want just kind of plain old but good grower, American Electric Power. Let's go to Greg in New York. Greg.
Booyah, Jim. How are you?
I am doing well. How about you?
I'm all right. Thank you. Got a question in regards of Apple and Peloton. Do you think we're in a good situation here with Peloton, or do you think there's a buyout opportunity?
I like Peloton, but I think it's run up way too far. I do believe that there's a stay-at-home exercise community that does matter, and it is growing, and it is an ecosystem. But the stock has had a very big run. I think it can go higher, but I don't like the risk-reward here. How about Jen in Florida? Jen.
Booyah! JK from Florida.
Booyah, how are you?
I'm good. Shout out to all social workers. What is your wisdom on FLGT, Fulgent
It's a
Genetics?
look, anything that's about diagnostics is incredibly hot. But remember, I'm an old-fashioned diagnostic guy. I like Abbott. I like Thermo-Fisher. But you know what? You want a little spec? That one works for me. Let's go to Matt in Michigan. Matt.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill. How you doing?
Booyah.
My question is your thoughts on my stock, Ericsson, ticker symbol ERIC.
No. Look, the king of that is Samsung. You can't invest in that. The stock that people are using as an analog to Samsung, by the way, is Marvell Tech. My Chapel Trust owns it, but that stock has been a rocket ship. Let's go to Greg in Wyoming. Greg.
Booyah, Mr. Chill.
Booyah.
First time, long time club member. I've got a
excellent.
crush on one of my holdings.
Thank you. Hope you liked the club call yesterday. What's up?
Hey, I've got a crush on one of my holdings. I need you to either give me your blessings or break my heart. Hannon Armstrong, HASI.
Here's the first of all, it's up nicely, but they provide debt and equity financing, okay? And look, I like energy efficiency. We got Battery Day coming up September 22nd for Tesla. But I really don't know who they lend to. And I've got to tell you, I do not like any credit market right now. Look at what's happening with our banks, and that's a bit of a bank, so I say no thank you. Madeline in Ohio. Madeline.
Hello, Cramer.
Hi, Madeline. How are you?
I listen to you on Squawk, and I listen to you on Mad Money.
Thank you.
So sometimes I feel like Woody Allen when he said, I invest money until there's nothing left. And that's how I'm feeling about Splunk.
Well, Splunk's pretty good. I mean, I think that Splunk has good security. It's one of those companies people don't talk about as much as they should, but it's one of those companies that has a lot of things going for it in terms of data analytics. It's funny because if you take a look at the company that went completely nuts, right? If you look at Snowflake, you have to wonder if there aren't, let's say, some similarities with Splunk, and Splunk is a lot less expensive. So don't feel bad. You're in a good one. Let's go to Bill in Washington. Bill. Bill?
Yes.
You're up.
Thank you. I'm ready.
Go ahead. What stock? You're on with Jim. You're on with Jim. What stock?
I'm so flattered.
Oh, go ahead. Just give me. Thank you. What stock is it?
Clorox.
Oh, Clorox. Okay. Look, I mean, Clorox is, first of all, Ben O'Dour is retiring, and I like him very much. I want to meet Linda Rendell. I met her in person when I was out in San Francisco. But right now, the market doesn't like the defensive stocks, and they've stepped away from a stock like Clorox. We got to give it some time, let it come in a little. I can't pound the table right here, and I'm going to Oregon now. Christopher in Oregon. Christopher.
Booyah, Cramer.
Booyah.
What are your thoughts on Vail Mining with the unusual
activity? The business is coming back. The mining business is coming back. It's one of the reasons that Caterpillar is up so great. People are talking about iron ore being great. People are talking about copper. A lot of this is because China, like them or not, is enjoying a boom. That said, I still can't get behind Vale. I've got other companies I would rather own, which include Freeport, which I think has got, while not a great stock, is better than Vale. One more. Let's go to Sack in Georgia. Sack!
Hi, Jim. I wanted to know about the trade desk. I have a significant amount of position in that stock. So, what are your thoughts
the trade
on
desk?
that?
I just saw Jeff Green interviewed. He absolutely was spectacular. But this is the kind of multiple to sales stock that I'm afraid is going to get hurt by the flood of IPOs. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.